How's it going, guys? We're going to start a new series of Forex trading, and I'm very excited about this new series that I'm going to share with you guys. Now, if you're new to Forex, I will make a video explaining what Forex is and how you can make money off of it. It is similar to stocks, but it moves a lot faster, and you can anticipate the moves a lot easier than stocks. Now, if you are a Forex trader, then these videos are going to be really attractive to you guys because the two strategies that I'm going to be using here, they can help us make some good money. So let's jump right in. The tool that I use to find a good trend is finviz.com, as you can tell here. Now there's two ways that I trade. It is trend trading, which I'll show you here in a bit with this tool, and the London Open, which we do at 1 a.m. As you notice right now, my time is 12:40. It's almost going to be 1 a.m. I'm in Central Mountain Time in the US, which means I have to do this at 1 a.m. for the London Open because London is at 3. I mean, my bad, at 8 a.m., but in my time it's at 1 a.m. I'll show you guys what I mean here in a bit. Now, when I want to trend trade, I like to use FinViz. Now, to use this, you go to finviz.com, go to Forex here, click on that, and you'll get this table here of different currency pairs. If you notice, if you look down here, you look at the one that's performing the best, which is New Zealand dollar, and what's performing the worst, Canadian, right, or US here. And if you can see here, the greener colored one here is New Zealand US dollar, and that's the one we're going to go with. So when we look at it through our trading, now this is a MetaTrader 4. I'm using Oanda, which is a broker in the United States. I'm using a demo account right now. I'm testing these strategies, and if they work good, we will start using real money. This is the first video of the series, so stay tuned. We'll continue to make more videos, and I'll be putting real money pretty soon and everything. So stay tuned, guys. For you guys that are new, please stick with me. There's a lot to learn, I know, but stick with me. I got a feeling that we can make a lot of money together here. So don't forget to subscribe because we're going to start from the bottom up here. And this is going to be pretty exciting, guys. This is not the first time I do this. I've done it before. But now that I've refreshed my mind, I'm coming back at this Forex trading with a fresh mind and with new ideas. But anyway, let's jump right to it. So here we have New Zealand US dollar, which is the one we just got from FinViz. And what I see here is a trend about to start. There's a breakout. If you notice, it's been sideways here for a while. But this right here is what I'm interested in. If you notice, we have some resistance going on here where I have this line, we have resistance, and I think it might break out. Now, if you take a look at the moving averages, which is these lines right here, I have a 20 moving average. No, that's 50 right there, and then this one, the red one, is 20. If you notice right here, they've crossed. Sorry about that. If you notice right here, they have crossed, so that's a good indication. And up here, it might break out. So what I'm going to do here is right above that breakout line here, just right above it, maybe like around right there, is 0.6439. So let's remember that number, guys, 0.6439. 0.6439. We go to new order. We go to pending order, and we're going to do a buy stop at 0.6439. A buy stop basically means that if it reaches that point, it'll automatically open up a buy. And we'll do just 0.01, which is the lowest you can do. Remember, we're just testing this out right now. So we're going to place that. And if you notice, it placed it right above it right here. So if this trade ever hits or goes up to this line right here, it will automatically open up a buy, And what I'm hoping happens is once it reaches up here, what I'm hoping will happen is that it will open up a new trend going up this way like this. I will draw it for you guys so you guys can see it. And I'm hoping it will go up this way. And if it does, we'll ride that and make profit as we go. So there it is right there. I put the lines right there so you guys can see. If it breaks out through there, my guess is that it's going to keep going up. So that's long term. So basically what I do here is long term and then short term, which we're going to do here in a bit. It's almost 1 a.m. So now let's jump over to our short-term trading that I do. Now here we have the London Open. Now the beautiful thing about the London Open, the market out there in London at 8 a.m. their time has a huge trading volume that goes on. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that. That's my air conditioner turning on. Let me go ahead and turn it off real quick. Hold on, guys. So what we're gonna do every night from Tuesday to Friday. We might not do Friday because Friday is a closing day. So we might, because Monday is a bad time to trade. So is Sunday and Friday. So we're gonna do this from Tuesday to Thursday, 3 days out of the week. That way we have the best chance of winning. And the strategy here is pretty simple. In the first 5 minutes, when the London market opens, there is a huge trading volume, guys. It's actually starting to happen right now. If you notice, look at this, how it's moving. And what you want to do, what I'm doing here is I'm finding the high, which is right here, this line, and I'm finding the support down here, which is down here. See that? Right above it and right underneath it. These candlesticks is what they call these for you guys that are new at this. Now, don't get overwhelmed, guys. We're going to do this every time at 1 a.m. Now, I know 1 a.m. is freaking late. And if you guys are in Eastern time, that's 3 a.m. for you guys. You guys are in Pacific time, then that's actually 11. So you guys that are out there in California, around that area, it's going to be easier for you guys because it's going to be like around 11. But us here in the middle, because I live in New Mexico, it's 1 a.m. But anyway, subscribe, guys. We're going to do this from Tuesday to Thursday. Every time, my time, 1 a.m. Central Mountain time at 1 a.m. my time. Make sure you adjust your time accordingly. If you live in the Eastern United States, don't do it at 1 a.m. your time. Just make sure you convert the time. But anyway, we're going to meet here at 1 a.m. We're about to do this here in a bit. It's 12:49. I got to wait till it's 1. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to wait till actually 1 a.m. But where you see the top line, we're going to do a buy stop, which means that if it reaches here, it'll do a buy. And then down here, we're going to do a sell stop, which means that if it reaches down here, it's going to do a sell. Now, keep in mind, it's going to be 5 minutes in of trading, and we're going to take a quick profit. Bam! And we're going to do this every time at 1 a.m. Like I said, Tuesday to Thursday. And bam, we'll just take a quick profit. Bam! And subscribe, guys, to the channel. And I will see you guys at 1 a.m. So we're going to do this here in a bit. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and continue recording when it's 1 a.m. And we'll see what happens, guys. So we got 6 minutes to go, guys. Let me just tell you the plan of attack real quick as we're waiting here. Right now we're using demo account, but from experience, I could tell you guys, once you guys use live, once you guys get good at this and use live account, emotions will go high. It's similar to when you go gambling, but you got to understand you can't see this as gambling, guys. Because in gambling, you can't see this, the chart. You can't see where the price has been. So this is not gambling. This is actually finding opportunities. This is no different than finding something cheap to buy and then resell it for profit for more money. It's the same exact thing, guys, that we're doing here. Same exact thing. You see the market that is at a certain point, and you just take advantage. You take advantage of the low price for the high price, right? You're doing the same thing here, guys. But anyway, enough with the rant here. If you notice, the price is going above our line that we had over here, so we're going to have to adjust it. Do not put the buy stop or the sell stop until the last minute, guys, because look what happened here. If I would have had the buy stop set before 1 a.m., it would have already triggered it. So we're going to move the line above where the price is at. We're basically just going to ride with it like that. All right, so we rose it a little bit more. What might happen here is there might be a buy stop. You never know, right? Until 1 a.m. hits, you never know which way the market's going to go. So we have 5 more minutes to go, guys. This is where it gets interesting, and I'll see you guys at 1 a.m. All right, guys, it is 12:59 now, so I'm going to go ahead and put those buy stop and sell stops. You got to be fast with it. You only have 1 minute to do this, guys. So buy stop at 1.29273. Buy stop. Oh, hold on. What's going on here? 29273. Why is it not letting me put it in there? This ain't good, guys. This ain't good. Oh, there it is. There's a buy limit, not a buy stop. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Now we put the sell stop in the bottom, which I don't think is going to be necessary, guys, to tell you guys the truth. Sell limit at, because I don't think it'll go to the bottom there, but we'll put it anyway. 29149. For some reason it's not letting me. Let's try as a sell stop. It's processing, boom. Okay, we got them done. I'm going to delete these lines, that way they're not in the way. We can see what's going on. So it looks like it might trigger it here in a bit, guys. All right, boom. I think it triggered it. It should open up the trade, and it didn't. But we're at 1 a.m. now, guys. This is when the market's going to be hitting hard. So we should be able to see. I think it's going to be a buy. I mean, it's very obvious it's going to be a buy because it's way up there. And basically, once the trade is in, once the order is in, we will try to ride it. But don't get too greedy, guys. If you got a nice steady profit already, cash out. You'll see what I mean. It might not work tonight, but it works most of the nights. I just hope it works this first time around that we're doing it in this series. So we're in now. It's 1:01 a.m. and give it a few minutes. It should either skyrocket up or go down big time. So we'll see what happens here in a bit. We just got to be patient. I'm a little concerned about that buy limit. It should be a buy stop, guys. I don't know why it didn't let me open up a buy stop. Buy limit's a little weird. I really don't like to do a buy limit. But it looks like there's some resistance going on there from it going up. But 1 a.m. just hit right now. London Open just opened right now. And the market's weird. It does what it wants to. But with the London Open, we have more of a chance of it doing something. And that's what you're counting on, guys. The major movements. And actually that buy already started. Now that it opened up. We can see right here that buy did open up. But it looks like the market is going against it. If it goes too much, guys, if it hits down here, I'm going to have to close as a loss. But the trade is still going on right now. The sell stop that we have down here, we're going to cancel it because we're already in as a buy. We're going to right click and we're going to hit modify or delete. We're going to delete it because we don't need to use that one no more because we're already in the trade up here. It did trigger it. As we can see right here, there's an open trade. So it's not going the way I wanted it to. Most of the time it will push up. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna hang on to it a little bit longer. Usually I don't go past 10 minutes after 1 a.m. But it looks like it wants to go down is what's happening here. But the buy already got triggered. There's some resistance going on though. I mean, it wants to go down, but you see a resistance coming back up. See this candlestick out? It went up right there. So let's just keep at it. But like I said, don't go over 10 minutes after 1 or whatever time that you're starting the London Open. Don't go 10 minutes over. If you're whatever the price is at after 10 minutes, close right there, guys. You guys don't want to hold on to them too long. But look, it's starting to go back up. There's some resistance going up. People wanted to sell, but it looks like the buyers. This might be a bull push. Bull means going up, and then bear means going down. So when I say bull, that means that it's gonna go up. Bear means going down. For you guys that are new. All right, guys. So we're just gonna wait here 10 minutes. This is the fun part right here, guys. This is the fun part. As you can tell, I do both. I do trend trading, which takes, I mean, you got to be really patient with that. That's long term. And this right here, this is short term. So I do best of both worlds, you know. So we're just gonna wait here, guys. And as we wait, I'm going to explain. So pretty soon I'm going to be doing live streams about this. So stay tuned, guys. You guys are going to be live with me at 1 a.m. instead of me uploading this, because I'm going to upload this video after this is all done. But what I really would like to do with you guys, if you guys subscribe and you know this becomes a hit and you guys follow me what we're doing here, I'm going to be doing live stream. So that's going to be a lot more fun, guys. So as you're watching this video, and if you're interested and want to do this with me to make some money, I know that it's late for some of you guys to do this, you know, 1 or 3 a.m. But if this works and we start making money, guys, it's worth it, man. It's all worth it. So stick with me, because I think we're onto something good here. I've made this strategy work before. It's just the busyness of life and my business and doing other things. It kept me away from doing this again, but now I'm doing it. All right, we're 5 minutes after 1 a.m. and it looks like it's just going sideways. When it's going sideways like this, it's a little weird. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're about to be into profit now. All right. Okay, things are looking good for us. Remember, don't get greedy. Once you go into the profit, you want to get out. Remember that your commission is at 0.01 is around 8 cents. So you want to make at least, I don't know, double that. So if we hit 16 cents or 20 cents, we can get out at that point. We can't get greedy. So look, it is going up. It is going up. All right, we're in almost in profit. All right, we're in profit now, guys. We're in profit. Like I said, once it hits 20 cents, it's at 24 cents right now. 27 cents. I'm gonna get a little bit greedy here, but not too much. 30 cents. That is a big high right there. I think that might be it. That might be it, guys. Let's do it right there. Let's do it right there. Oh, come on. Accept conditions. There's a bad timing for that. We're gonna get out right there. Can't get greedy. Oh, it's not letting me close. Come on, let me close. Why is it not letting me close? I need to close this trade right now. What the heck's going on, guys? Close order. Close it, dang it. What the heck's going on? Trade is disabled. What do you mean trade is disabled? Having some technical difficulties here with you guys. It's not letting me close the trade. What in the world? I'm telling you guys, sometimes it's just ridiculous. Okay. That's just, I'm glad I'm in demo mode right now. We would have had 30 cents profit right there, guys. 30 cents profit. Now, this is exactly what I'm talking about here. If you get too greedy, you'll lose it, because look, it went back down. Okay. We have to close this trade. We just have to. I don't know why it's not letting us. What the heck's going on here? This is ridiculous. We're on GBP USD. We should be able to close this damn trade. This is the thing is glitching on us, guys. If this was real money I was trading with, I would be pissed right now that it's not letting us close. GBP USD. Let me check here, guys. Trade is full. We should be able to close, guys. I don't know why it's not letting us close. This is just ridiculous. What the heck? I had never had this happen to me before. I'm in profit and it doesn't let me close. Hold on, let me close and reopen the program real quick, guys. Hold on. So I restarted the program and look, it's crashing on me. This is not what you want to happen to you when you're in the middle of a good profitable trade. You guys have been trading for a while. You guys know what I'm talking about here. If this happens to you in profitable trade, oh my God. But we're actually in good profit. We're in 59 cents right now. I'm going to try to close it now. Hopefully it lets us. Still not letting us. Still not letting us. I don't know why, guys. I really don't know why. It is just insane. It's weird. The market's open in GB. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Let's see what the heck's going on here. We look at. It says trade no, but why? You should be able to trade at this time. It's not letting me trade. That's the problem that we're having here. It's not letting me trade. I don't know why. Oh, because we need to do the -5. I chose the wrong. Oh, shoot. Well, we'll know for next time. This is the correct chart right here, the -5. But what if we open up that one? Can we still close the trade there? Is that a different one? Yeah, it's not going to let us do it. Okay. All right. If you guys use Oanda, the US broker, make sure you select the -5 chart. -5. Because that one you could trade anytime you want. We chose the regular GBP USD, and for some reason it let us trade. It did actually let us trade in it, but now it's not letting us. How convenient, you bastards. But anyway, okay. The good thing, guys, this is a demo account. The strategy worked, as you guys can see right there. Look, it's working. We're at 69 cents profit. Remember, we're using the smallest size trade. So 69 cents is actually really good, because if I was using $1,000 account, that right there would actually be $6.30. Depending on how much size you like to do. Actually, doing this strategy, you can do size. It would actually be $63 or $630, depending on what the size you want to use on your account, how much you want to risk. I don't recommend risking that much. Mission accomplished. This was a good trade. We're already at 85 cents. All right. We would actually, if you had $1,000 account, this would be $85 you would have right now, $99. All right. You guys that have stuck to the end, I know this has become a very long video and 23 minutes in, $95 right now. You guys can see this strategy, the London Open works. All right. When London opens, bam, look at this big movement right here, guys. That is awesome. We're going to make a lot of money doing this. I'm excited, guys. Thanks for watching. The next video, hopefully we can do live stream. So subscribe, guys. If you guys like what I've done here, subscribe. And tomorrow we'll do this again. Tomorrow's the last day of this week, Halloween week, you can call it. Look at that, guys, 99 cents. And this is the smallest trade, right? If you were using $1,000 account, we're using this as an example, this would be $98 right now. I'm gonna have to put some real money on this already. All right, so mission accomplished, success, we're good. Technically, we would have been down here around 30 cents or $30 if you had $1,000 account. But since we can't close this, we chose the wrong chart. Since we can't close it, you know, That's just the way it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Next time I see you guys, it will be on a live stream. Or until I get the live stream going, we'll do it this way. But if you guys really like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe. I do want to go to the trend trade, NZD USD, that we're looking at. We're going to look at it through the other chart because we messed up on that one too, actually. But hold on, guys. So I wanted to kind of go back to this before I end this video. The trend trade that we did at first, this is on a daily chart is what they call it, and this is going to take anywhere from days to weeks for this one to go into profit and materialize, right? This is long term, right? The trend trading, which is in this trend right here, all right? And what we did a while ago, that was actually short term, right? Boom, get money quick. We want to do both, right? Because that's the way I like to roll. Patient and impatient. All right, so just wanted to show that to you guys. All right, I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Hopefully I can get a couple of you guys to subscribe so I can have actually some audience that I'm showing this to. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, and I'll see you soon in the next video.